Ditch the endless email chains and confusing spreadsheets, because in this video, we're unlocking the secrets to giving your clients a stellar experience on Basecamp. First, let's clarify what clients can actually see typically. You'll invite them as clients to specific projects, giving them limited access. They'll land on the project overview page. The Campfire is their go-to spot for informal chats. Encourage them to ask quick questions here. It keeps everything organized and transparent. Next up are the Toto's. Clients can see tasks assigned to them, mark them as complete, and add comments or attachments directly to the task. Make sure you assign specific and clear tasks so they know exactly what to do. The Docs and File section allows clients to access important documents and upload their own files relevant to the project. Make sure the files are well organized so they can find what they are looking for. If you're using check-ins, clients can respond to your recurring questions, keeping you updated on their progress or providing feedback. Now, for the best client experience, create a welcome message in the Campfire, clearly outlining how to use Basecamp and who to contact for different needs. This simple act can really help set the stage. Use clear, concise language throughout the project. Avoid technical jargon and explain things simply. This minimizes confusion and keeps clients engaged. Finally, use at mentions to draw their attention to specific updates or tasks. This ensures they don't miss anything important. With these tips, your clients will love working with you on Basecamp.